in this cold and very blistery weather, blustery, you'll be able to enjoy a little bit of holiday music that'll hopefully make the weather outside worth it. Again, welcome to the 2011 Fall and Winter Showcase for the Bradshaw Mountain High School Instrumental Music Department. Like I said, like you probably may know, my name is Chris Tenney, and I am happy to be the new director of instrumental music here at Bradshaw Mountain High School. Thank you. The group that you see behind me, having taken their seats now, is our string orchestra. Now, our string orchestra is made up of a dozen excellent string players, some seasoned professionals, and some brand new beginners. And they are happy to put on a holiday concert that is second to none. They will begin our concert with a tune that's not necessarily a holiday tune, although you will hear it during this time of the year. You might have heard it if you've attended a wedding. This is J.S. Bach's Jesu Joy Vanzdag. I hope you enjoy it. like I said, this is our string orchestra. We meet once a day, and we are, like I said, made up of some very excellent players who've been playing for a very long time, and some of us that are new to teaching orchestra and being in orchestra. I'm going to just quickly demonstrate that. If you, as one of our orchestra members, have been playing for 5 years or more, go ahead and raise your hand. These are our seasoned professionals. If you've been playing, you can clap for them, please. If you've been playing your instrument for 3 to 5 years, go ahead and raise your hand. If you've been playing your instrument for 1 or 2 years, these are the people that picked up their instrument last year. And if you've been playing your instrument since, when did school start? 4 months ago. Go ahead and raise your hand. So you can see we come from a diverse amount of knowledge on an instrument. And that has been one of the big challenges that we've had to overcome. And our next tune, entitled Coventry Carol, I think is one of the ways in which we have been able to be successful in spite of these many different talents and abilities. Again, it's called Coventry Carol. I hope you enjoy it.